It is April 27th. This is Grandman at McManus Meadows. Just doing a quick survey of the creek to gauge what's looking today. Blue heron flying around the creek. We need to fill up quite a bit. Well, we're down with the cows. They're at the end of lane 7. I'm actually in lane 6, taking up the step-in posts and the reel, and I've got most of lane 8 set up. So today we'll make that move to lane 8. I showed the creek as I drove in today. I drove in from the south, which is different than I normally do, but I'm just walking over there now. So this is the hill down to the creek. So it would take a significant amount of rain to fill that up, and it fills up, it backfills from downstream as well. So we need to keep an eye on that. Maybe time to take the cow cam out to keep an eye on this. So it does start to come up, we can use the escape lane to get the cows out. But everybody's good. Hopefully they're patient while I get this reel up and set up lane number 8. New point of view. I'm in lane 8. Cows are traveling down from the south end of lane 7. It's going to take me a handful of minutes to get my lane sorted and then figure out where I'm going to put the cross members in. This is kind of where I've been doing the cross member, but there is and maybe I'll put this one in for a little while today, but I'm probably going to give them down to almost the middle. So yep, that's what's happening on the farm right now. Well, cows took a little break, had a drink. I've got lane 8 set up. I've got all the cross lanes in. It looks like it's a three lane day, three day lane. So I'm gonna go set up this last cross section and last cross section and let them in, and then in a couple hours I'm going to come down. The other thing I'm thinking of doing, I don't know if you've noticed while you're watching the channel, I've got these white timeless posts that we were using to mark things. I'm going to, now that I'm at lane 8, I'm going to try to set out a better grid that helps me see where the lanes need to go. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. All right, now the trick is going to be to get them out of lane 7 into the start of lane number 8. Well, I'm trying something new, but it is not working. So I'm gonna move a little closer and see if I can get them to walk with me. Are we gonna go? Are we gonna go? Let's go. Yep. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Oh, Millie's moving them along. Let's see. Let's see if this brings them over to the new grass. This is one of the longest moves ever. Goggles has made it to the new grass. Let's see if the others hear the rip. And they have. So let's see if I edit this part or not. That took forever. 2 minutes of recording time watching this, but it took I don't know, probably 8 or 9 minutes. Normally I get them right at the line, or they follow me too. But we're coming down to this escape route, and then just doing a sharp turn back down the next lane. That's a 2 minutes. But I'm going to leave in this small area for a handful of hours while we work on some other stuff. It is going to rain as well, so appreciate everybody watching and tuning in. We are 4 cows deep, lane 8, April 27th. So we've been down in this bottom now for, I don't know, 30 and some days, I think 32-ish. But got probably another 30 ahead of us. And you've seen the grass. It's grass right now is up to their bellies, at least here where Goggles and Ginger are. Not quite, but we're going into some tall grass. Thanks for watching. Well, they've had a couple hours, maybe probably a couple hours on that section, and they've done a good job knocking it down. It's time to make a move, so I'm gonna go from the other side. Looks a little easier. See if they follow me over. Got a little bit more work down here to set up the quadrants to make it easier the next time I try to divide the field into 16 lanes. I'm going to switch the direction of the lanes in the summer. I might even want the water on the other side, on the south side, so there's shade near where near where the cows go and get the mineral and the water. So I'm nudging over. If you've been watching, you know that I had a little, and my boots are actually wet now, and it's changing the intensity of the shock when my leg runs into poly wire. So yep, here comes Goggles. They're all making their way around Millie. JB found the spot. Millie giving me a casual glance, moving on. Yeah, I don't know if you can see in the video, we've got 2 more cross wires. I think it's a day each. As as I've been running around the field with the four-wheeler, the grass in the southwest corner back to my right, it's well over my knee. So going into deeper grass, I'm going to be interested to see what it does with that rain. So may need to move them a little faster. That may be it for today. A lot of video. Hopefully those of you that make it all the way to the end and hit the like, hopefully you're enjoying it. Just recording the journey. Thanks for watching. Take care. It's time to ruminate. Everybody's lying down. I just finished my grid. I may actually drop some of these posts off and then go map it on this application. It's a hunting application, Onyx Hunt, and that's what I use to map things out. So yeah, they're looking good. It's a good day on the farm. Thanks for joining. That's the end for today. Thanks for watching. We'll continue to share our journey at Grand Man Ranch.